circle was open mail with Dad after work. So, open mail with Dad after work. You got it there, big fella.
It looks like it had its,
I had to open it, like I told you, I just told him I had to open it. I duct taped it back so he would get the experience, but
I told him not to open it.
the driver told me to open it because the package was damaged and he wanted to make sure nothing we had ordered was damaged. Otherwise, we would refuse the shipment and they would get me a new product.
So you know what's in it.
Well, I saw the email, so I know what's in there either way. I just made sure there wasn't any kind of body parts in there. I hadn't took anything out.
Well, let's see what we got.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's not Christmas. We knew it was coming, they just didn't.
I got my other sticker. I got one sitting right back here. I got one on each side of the car now.
Daddy sent an email. And they were kind enough
I sent and reached out and talked to people about
at Summit
charging
Racing.
us, and
I don't know if this is considered a sponsor, but they sent us 2 hats, a fender cover, a sticker, a magazine, and most importantly, they sent us a banner. So
now
we can hang it up.
when we open our stuff, it can go over here on the wall, and y'all can see.
And we're gonna work on being more of a partner with Summit. I don't know how
Yes.
much of a sponsorship
We are
yet.
doing the paperwork and everything and filling out, and we
We're gonna get it
think
figured out.
we're gonna go right across there.
You see there's a nail already up there above the nail.
Yeah, and one, oops, I'm kind of getting y'all crooked. I think we're gonna go right behind the 2 machines. Like I said, eventually I'd like to have the machines behind the wall, but you see this is where we do our daily agenda and our debriefing. So,
We gotta clean the wall and
so now we will be ordering more of our stuff from Summit because
they were kind enough to
they
send
were
us-
kind enough to answer the email and be so kind to send us a banner, and like I said, the 2 hats and the fender cover, and of course the sticker. And now, like I said, I do have 2 stickers. One came in the other day's mail order.
for the mini sports.
Yes, so now I can put one on each side of my car, and maybe we can.
I need 2 more packages to put them on the side of my car.
Yeah, we're gonna have to order some more so we can get. We got 3 cars, so you know each time we have to. I guess we'll order each individual thing so we can get enough stickers to go on each car. But we do have enough now for mine, and we will work on getting that up maybe tonight, and so tomorrow morning on the daily, the morning agenda, daily agenda. It'll be in the picture, and I want to tell Summit Racing thank you. I appreciate it. It means a lot to us small-time YouTubers. I can't explain to you what it felt when I got the email. I wasn't going to tell y'all about the email. I was just going to open the thing, but
Well, I called him and asked if he ordered anything from Summit because we got a thank you for your order. We're preparing to ship. Basically, it was an order confirmation. And we hadn't received an email back from Summit. Daddy had emailed them while I was in Tennessee, asking if they would be interested in sponsoring us or sending us some stuff to hang up because we like their site, we like them, and I didn't order anything. Well,
to do what we do as YouTubers and as anything to do with cars,
you know Summit.
we have to buy parts for our cars. And parts break, and parts we got to build our cars when we got to do things. Well, Summit come on board here, so we're hoping to further along our commitment with them and vice versa, but their banner will go up, and it will be a blessing for here. It's something big for us. We've not had this, but
Since
6
September
months,
11th.
7 months, and
4 months.
so all right, we've had this 4 months, and for Summit to send us what they have.
Just to acknowledge that we exist.
Yes.
Not just shoot us the rod and
And
say
only
we're not
just-
even going to acknowledge you.
Yes, we've had a few do that. I mean, if you tell me no, that's fine. But just to slap ignore me, that bothers me. But
You're acknowledging that we exist and what we're doing is
4 months.
obviously you realize what we're doing. We've been doing YouTube for a year, but we've been in this shop for 4 months.
just over a year we've been doing YouTube in this shop for 4 months. Met a lot of people, and to my surprise, we've put a lot of tires on cars and trucks and trailers. Did two today for
the guy who's
Scott.
he's gonna clear our land. for
Yes.
us.
And matter of fact, did skid steer tires for him, 3 of those I think, and bought a wheel from us. So it's coming along. Everybody that didn't believe in us and still think we're about half crazy, well, we are.
We are. We're
But
crazy.
I'm going to tell you, this is going to happen. This is something that I have dreamed about doing for many years, and we are going to get this going.
But big thank you to Summit.
Yes, again, I will say it again, and I'll say it several more times. Every time I walk in that door now, and I see that sign up there knowing they sent it to Never Done Project, it means the world to us.
But thank you.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
And check out Summit Racing if you've never been.
That's exactly right.
And if you have, check them out again. They send stickers.
Yes.
Thank you.